Since 1985, Juli Sling has been a cornerstone in the Chinese lifting industry. As a global leader in lifting solutions, we are dedicated to safety and innovation at our core. Our commitment to technology and customer satisfaction enables us to empower industries such as mining, metallurgy, oil and gas, marine, energy, aerospace, and infrastructure. With a strong focus on sustainable development and a dedicated global network, we proudly serve and earn the trust of customers in over 100 countries, ranging from textile lifting slings, steel wire ropes, mooring ropes, and lifting chains, to shackles, elevator links, lifting beams and clamps. Juli Sling devotes itself to offer one-stop procurement and services facing the global market. Equipped with advanced production lines and stringent quality control systems, from the selection of raw materials to the delivery of final products, we adhere to the highest standards of precision and quality, ensuring that every product complies with international standards and requirements, as well as certifications like ISO, CE, GS, CCS, DNV, ABS, and other classification society certifications. Juli Testing Center is one of the national CNOS authorized laboratories, which can issue authoritative test reports, owning the full set of load testing machines from 600 tons to 5,000 tons. Every product will undergo rigorous test procedures before dispatch. As a national high-tech enterprise, Juli currently owns national-level enterprise technology center, housing 200-plus engineers and R&D teams. Collaborating with top-ranking universities, we have gradually set up 5 institutes in China. For years of technology breakthrough and innovation, the company possesses 360-plus authorized patents. Our dedicated team of experts is committed to delivering exceptional customer service, guiding you through every step, from pre-sale consultation to after-sale support. We understand that each business is unique, which is why we offer personalized solutions designed to keep your operations running smoothly. Together, we turn your vision into reality. Thank you for choosing Juli to elevate your standards of excellence. With Juli Sling, you can lift the earth.